Hello everyone, welcome back to the live stream. Sorry for the darkness because we have cloudy day. It's today's like sorry. So first of all, I need to check something. Give me a minute for that. So this will be I'm checking that you can see my live stream with a better view. I mean better quality in simple terms if I say so. Okay, for some reason. Give me a moment because if you guys see the problem, I don't know if you guys can see my screen or not. Yep. Sorry. So yeah, what we are looking on go right now is if there is a break of structure, which we already got, pretty good. So I've been watching for quite some time. We already took one trade over here. You can see that. We lost around 2.25%, 0.25%. So we got the break of structure on 15-minute time frame. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, same thing. So what we can do is we can take a buy here again. This time, the only thing I'm looking for right now is if we got the break of structure, can we do a small retest, or we will just continue going up? So do we have news? People, do we have news? Okay. We're doing a retest. So if we reject those zones, my throat is not good, so sorry for that. So if we reject those zones, then I'm looking for buys till the zone. Because we have a clean candle to the left hand side, okay? So we are trying to reject. If we flip bullish on this candle now, then I'll be taking buys, okay? With a 2 lot size. Let's see. It's Friday, so we don't want to stay in the trade, right? Man, my throat is like really bad for some reason. Actually, 1 hour candle just started as well. So looking at those right now, we can get easily break out the higher time frame price can continue going up. Let's take a look if we have news today. I think we have, right? Yeah, it's 6 p.m. We have core price index and everything. So, but it's 6 p.m. and I think in we have some time before we enter in New York session. So before that, if we can cover price till here, that would be a pretty good trade. Pretty good trade. So we already made a little bit of a profit on the account. So if I'm resting around 0.50%, then I'm risking my profit today. Am I okay for that? 100%. I'm okay for that. Yep. Yeah, flipping bullish almost like that. Like, okay. Oh, if we put the stop loss below this candle, I think we'll be fine. Yes. If we just get bullish candle flip, then price looks really good. If you guys have any questions, ask me. I'll answer as soon as possible. Right. Chat is open, so welcome to answer that. Okay, we are flipping bullish. Almost there. Let's buy one. Flip bullish. Buy as we flip bullish. Putting stop loss right now. 15-minute candle. Previous. We are losing around 0.30%, 17 pips on this trade. Our target is the high here based on 1 hour, 4 hour, you can say. Yeah, the target is this areas. Let's see. Let's see if we can shoot up now because here's the thing, right? We were here first and we rejected and went down. So we came back up right here, right now. We rejected twice, but this time it made a lower low and came back and break it. So I think this could be a pretty good buys over here. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, we have volume, but if we lose this trade today, I don't think so. We should be taking any other trade, right? Looking at the G2. So, what did I tell you? That if we hit these two zones in between them, we should start looking for sells. We came back here. If you have, if you have even taken a small amount of here, I mean, congratulations. I was not looking on the GU, so I just mark up the zone, but couldn't take a trade. So yeah, okay, we uh, uh, how about we just if we lose this trade, I think we'll still live till 6 p.m. We have a news there, so we're gonna see how's the price moving. If we find a really good setup, then we'll take the trade at the time of the news. Okay, or invest. But if we break below right here, right now, hmm, interesting. I won't be, I think so, then looking for any buys. But if I should start looking for sells, let's do some analysis. Okay, let's put the zone here again. Going on a 4 hour time frame, I'm gonna put the right here, right now. If I'm looking for sells, that would be below this area. Okay, because above this area, I think we might cover this up. We might reject the swing before going down. And next week is NFP as well. So we'll keep in mind that we might reject those zones, and in NFP we could fall down. Okay, we came back up because of NFP. Prices can do something like that, but so below this area, I'll be looking for a major like sell, because you guys can hold that trade. Okay, but if I'm looking for a scalping base on 30-minute time frame, if we get a break of structure here, then I think sell this. We have enough range around 50 pips, so we can easily target some good amount on this trade. And yeah, we have a break of structure of this area right now. We're taking a trade based on that, and I'm expecting that price should continue going up to the top side. Fifteen-minute candles still struggling a little bit, but we have 3 minutes left before the 15-minute candle close. Let's say 30 minute. Yeah, we still have time for that. But if 15-minute candle close bearish and next candle is breaking the low, hmm, that could be an interesting point where we need to take a look and close some percentage of our position. As if you're watching the live stream, do give a like We do live stream every day, and I think we do appreciate likes. That's at least you can do. We start flipping bullish. We are in profit right now. Really good. Nice trade is running. So I'm expecting price should continue going up a little here. I would love to add another position as well because uh, I was I was about to risk a little bit more on this trade today because we have a really clean candle to the left hand side and we got multiple what we call confirmation before taking this trade. So yeah, we got 4 hour new candle opening up, breaking the highs. So if we break the high over here of the 4 hour candle, there is nothing holding it back to this trade, continue going up. This, or we can say this area. Yeah. So if we break those highs again, then yeah, looking for sales will be really good. We are up around 5 pips, I guess, on this trade. So we are pushing the highs over here. Let's see. We got 50 minute candle closed, bullish. Nice one. So we are perfectly breaking the highs over here, okay? But as this candle just open up and start pushing to the upside, we might like to see some, retracement to the entry level before going up. Mm, we are pushing. Okay, nice one. We are up around 10 pips right here, right now. If we break these highs of the 4 hour candle, then yeah, I think we should shoot up to the top side a little bit more. And most likely, what I'm looking for before the New York session start, this 4 hour candle will reject the top area because we have a wick on left hand side here. This area, this wick, I'm looking for a rejection here again, or the sweep to the top side before continue maybe going down or something. But yeah. Most likely what I'm looking for is the break over here. In 11 minutes, we get the close of the candle. So we are checking a little bit here. So if 4 hour break the highs, okay, then I'll move my stop loss at break even because I don't want trade to come back to my entry point after that. If it does that, then most likely what could happen is that price could reject and come back down to this zone. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna secure our positions at the break of the 4 hour candle. Okay, we're gonna move over SL at break even right here. Okay. So we have a risk-free trade right now. We're gonna let it run a little bit. Let's see what does price do. I would love to, as I said, I would love to add another entry point here, but nope. Price is pushing. Okay, we're gonna close 50% most likely. Let's close 0.50. Okay. I'm pushing a little bit more. Let's get us to 500 before we close partials. Okay, closing 0.50. So we still have trade running. We closed around $130. Close around 130. We're gonna let the rest of the trade run. So let's see. We are up around 1% on the account, but still, I don't think so. I would like to close right now. If we get a closure which is in 8 minute, if we flip bearish, then yeah, we're gonna hit a break even at this moment. But what I'm looking for is still, I think price could, continue going up once we have the standard close bullish, and we can have more volume to the upside. But as I said, if we flip bearish here, and I'm not expecting that price will continue going up after that. If we flip bearish on the 4 hour time frame, and I'm expecting we should be coming down to 2326, and after that, if we break this structure, most likely coming down to 2320. But that's only depends on the fundamentals as well. As yesterday I did explain that I'm looking for sales, but when I was looking for sales, what happened is that we got a fundamental news that was related to USD, and that was really good. I mean, good for what we call gold, you can say, and bad for USD. So I think that's why price did rejected and came back up. But otherwise, if that news was really bad for the what we call USD, then most likely we've broken these areas and we have this same movement to the downside. But yeah, so right now we are just securing some percentage. Okay. Let's take a look at the 5 minute time frame. Do we have a closure? Okay, yeah. So if this 5 minute candle do shoot up, that's okay. 1 minute left, okay. keep in mind today we have taken one trade that was a buy already, but it hit our stop loss because I had a really tight stop loss, and after that I took a buy just now and closed 0.50 of that lot size, and we are still down 1% or so. Let's hope if we hit the TP on this trade, we are good to go. We are good. Let me just close another 50. Yep. We are coming back down. I would like to see a little bit more push to the upside when I do close another 50. Okay. Let's see if we can get a small push to the side before I close another. Should we close everything at 1%? We are getting the push, not breaking the highs yet. Let's see if we can break the highs of the current candle, the new highs that has been created. Okay, close there. So we secured, I think. Okay, yeah, we are back at break even. As you guys can see, we have covered our losses by securing our trade over here. And yeah, price is pushing to the upside. I will be closing another most of the trade sooner or later. Let's take a look. But we have 5 minutes left for 15-minute and 30-minute candle to close. So next 5 minutes, I'm expecting the next 5 minute candle when to open up. We hit this zone, and at the time we close full trade. Okay, simple as that. Thank you, Azam Sheikh. Yeah, we do this most likely every day. Like we do our best. I just failed to pass my phase yesterday. Gold pumped. Yeah, even I was looking for sell. I won't lie. So when price came back up, I was looking for sells as well. The gold pump was the reason because we had a news on USD, which was in a good favor of the gold. So and bad for the USD. So that's why we are seeing some bullish pressure on the gold okay right now. So don't worry. I think most likely when I'm looking for sells based on a weekly and longer time frame, you can say bigger time frame. Okay. This trade is a pretty clean candles and pretty simple setup. So that's why I took it. I think we should have been closing here. Okay. We secured a profit here and we are done. We are right now up around 1% on our account. So yeah, we end our week with a profit of a 1%. Let's just review some trade ideas today. What did that happen? So we made around 400 0.40% today. If we go to current month, let's start from the okay 2309 and gold went straight up 2309. Damn. Ooh, yeah. Your entry point was here, man. You hold this trade from here till this. Man, you should have managed your risk. Like you are saying there is a really good amount of a bullish volume. Why didn't you close? It's like trust me, whenever you are trading, if you see a break of structure and prices reversing, at that time you should have managed your risk, not on the opposite side, like add position and close it. If you have that FOMO or something like that, you forgot to put SL. Okay. So like what I would suggest, like some people they cannot, restrict themselves to trade more. Okay. Have $100 account on the side when you're trading a funded account. Okay. Trade with that $100. Whenever you took a trade, okay, for an example, I already took trade on gold and I'm done for the day. I know that I won't take any trades more than that. But if I see any another best setup that I feel like that this will go up in my favor, okay, what I do, I open $100 account, put that money in, and just take a 0.023 lot size and take the trade. You know, it satisfied my emotions. At the same time, if I lose, I'll be losing small amount of capital. Okay, simple as that. That's how you satisfy your things. It's I Do you trade on a funded account? Right now, I am on a funded account. I'm on a phase one. So yeah, we are doing this live here right now. I was expecting that we should continue. So here's my funded account. This is my account. If you go to Matrix, yeah, we are in the Matrix. So right now we are up around 1% on the account. Okay, our target is so our average win is 48. Risk to reward. So basically, yeah, we are up around 1% on the account right now. And yeah, our target is 7,500. Let's see what we can do with that. Okay. So let's analyze our trade here we have. Okay. Our When we started this account, our drawdown was maximum drawdown was, I think, yeah, maximum drawdown we have is 1%. Okay. Not more than that. What Not more than that. Okay. So till now we have taken total trades of 27. Our winning trades are 15 trades are winning trade. Okay. And losing trades are 12. Okay, looking at this number, what do you guys think? That I have a 15 winning trade and 12 losing trade. Keep in mind, you can see here, okay, like 55% is my win rate and 44% is my losing rate. This is based on monthly. If I go to daily, this is my daily. Okay, I started on Monday. This is the new funded account. I started on Monday. This is the two trade I have taken on that day. I think I lost both of them. Then we had a three trades. This is based on, okay, we taken this two trade first, we lost them. Then we taken another that was one trade, but we close it three times. Like taking whenever you take partials, like that count as a like every time you different trade. Okay. So same here. We had a five trade losing and four trade. We had a five trade as a winning trade. If you just trade, sorry, what? You just trade on gold or on any? Do you mean by like, do I trade just gold or any other pairs? So I think I trade only gold, GBP USD, and GBP JPY. That's it, not more than that. So yeah, till now we have taken two trades. One is on two pairs we have traded, as you guys can see, gold and GBP USD. Okay, this is our all over. Okay, trade we have taken till now. Everything is here. C Trader is an amazing platform. Trust me, like we have a whole analyzing section over here, which I can do. See, last 1 week we had a this trade we have taken. Okay, if we click on all, you guys can see my equity. Here you can see my balance, equity drawdown, max equity drawdown, whatever you want to see. Pretty good, pretty amazing. So yeah, that's the thing. See, we are still pushing to the upside. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, what I'm expecting as let me explain. Okay, with this weak rejection over here, what I'm expecting, that price when it broke the wick or go a little bit above that, I'm expecting a huge rejection to the downside, and I think this 4 hour candle will close bearish here and flip bearish. Okay, that's what I'm expecting in New York session to happen. So we might cover this whole move that we have done here. We might go down to the and come back to close around to 320. That's an prediction that I have. Okay, it's not just like something that you can. Oh yeah. So I guess we are ending a week with 1% of a profit. We had an amazing week. I'll make a video based on that. That how was our first week went. So when we started the live stream, we had a $800 account. So I started trading with that, but then I realized, like, why don't we just go and get a funded account? Because I have passed once the funded account and I wanted to give a try again. So I was like, okay, let's do it. So doing that right now on the live stream every day. If we pass the phase one, then we'll go to phase two, and then we have the live funded account. So that's the thing what I'm looking for. And as I was saying, currently I'm trading on a C trader and my firm Funding Pips. Funding Pips, I have heard of them. A pretty good platform, I guess, because a lot of people have, good reviews about them. But I have not tried it there. So maybe in future, we will try it. Maybe in future, okay? So most likely, right now, I'll be live. We'll be watching charts. But in the meantime, we have, I think, 2 hours left before the news. So you guys, if you guys have any questions, you can ask me right now. Let me give you 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, whatever question you ask, I'll answer it. And yeah, if you have any questions, just write in the chat. We'll answer it. So I think we are approaching the wick area over here. Okay, we have approached that wick area and we started rejecting before approaching as well. I'm still waiting if we could reject those. Well, I'm expecting no one have any questions. Are we gonna just watch the chart at the moment? Or we can play games. We can play games, right? Why don't we play games? Brother, no need to call me sir. I'm just a guy who's here to learn through the live stream, okay? I'm not a pro or professional trader yet. So I'm still learning things. No need to call me sir. I'll buy one more funding account of 100K on Monday and I hope I will clear it. Yeah, great. So if you when you buy the funded account, keep in mind, let's assume at least have a 1 month, okay? Don't rush it. Just create some kind of, okay, what did I do is when I start trading a 100K account, we need to make at least 2 to 3% of a profit before we go hard on the account. When I say hard on the account, I mean by increasing the lot size. Let's take a look our history, okay, so you guys can understand what I'm trying to say. So when we started trading this account, we were using lot size of 1.50, okay, but I was in the start pre-trade I lost, okay, so I reduced my lot size. What did I do? I reduced my lot size to 1. Then we had a one trade running of, I think, 2 lot size, or no, this was when 25, 25, 25. Okay, yeah. This one trade was, I think, 1.50. So whole trade was running with 1.50 because the reason right now I increased the lot size here. Let me go to the trade section so I can explain. So we started looking for sells over here. So we seen that price was coming back up and did some consolidation, and we seen that there is a really good amount of a bullish momentum. What I do, take sells of 1.50 and started closing some percentage every moment. Started closing every time. Okay, we 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 taken a trade here till here. We made around, I think, 1,000 or something. So we cover our losses at the same time. So we made some profit. Okay, then I keep in mind I made around 8,000 or something. We were you can see my balance was 99,700, and then I took some losses. Look at my losses, like $16, 26, 193, 35. Then this trades, this all trades were on I think 26. Then there was another trade that I taken. This was one lot size with the $22, but I lost. How much is it in total? If I say this will be like 200, 200, yeah, 300 max. I lost around $300 with all the trade. So even if I one trade, only one trade cover all of the loss that I took on 26. Okay, so we're still down around 99. Then on 27, so not on 26 in New York session. Yeah, I think this was in New York session, the trade I took. So this was $3. Let's take a look. Let's go to the chart, take a look at the trade we have taken. Yeah. So this was because of a volume. So what mistake did I do was I had a really tight stop loss again. My trade entry was correct, everything was right. I think I had a really tight stop loss. So I was not giving enough room to the trade to run out. Then another trade. Okay, this was on 26 as well. We got a sell, another sell. We made some profit. Why do I have a feeling that trade ideas are not like in lines? But it's because I think I have closed. Yeah. So sorry, this trades were on GBP USD. I forgot to mention. So this trade was on GBP USD. If you go and watch the live stream again in the past, we have taken a nice sell over here. We the only reason we increase our lot size on this trade was because even if I go with a 1.5 or 2 lot size, with a 10 to 20 pips, I was making 100 or $200, and 10 pip movement on GBP USD, that's a huge movement. Okay, so it's not like gold in simple terms. So on gold, when I trade gold, I use a smaller lot size, but when I trade pairs like GBP USD or GBP JPY, I increase my lot size to 3 to 5. Okay, so yeah, that was the trade taken on 26. Then we came back on 27. We taken trade on gold buys, another close 50%, 50%, something like that. So yeah, this is the partial. It was one trade, but we are closing partials at every time, so that's why it's showing like that. Okay. Then we come back on 28th. We taken a morning in London session. We taken this trade. We lost around $250. That is 0.25% of the account. Then we taken today trade was this just right now. And yeah, we are done for the week. Pretty amazing week, pretty good week. Uh, right now we are doing the thing that I said. We might reject the wicks or the top, and after that, what I'm expecting that this candle should when the next candle open up, I'm expecting that it will shoot down to the support area we have here. So we're gonna watch. I'm not thinking of taking any trade at the moment. I'm just gonna watch and see. Okay. Tell me guys, would you like to see play games? I think let's play game right now. Why not? I have explained my past trades that we have taken now. Pretty amazing, pretty good trades. So I'm also on phase one of my firm account. Great. Subscribe to the channel. We do live stream every day. I'm on a phase one as well. We are here all to learn things about trading. So if you guys are interested learning about things live, real life, most likely, keep in mind, I'm not a professional trader. I'm not like something. In simple terms, when I say not a professional trader, that means like I do not have that much experience or that much of a proven track record that I can say you that you can follow me and follow my trades. Okay. So when I explain trades here, when I take trades here, I expect that you guys do your own analysis at the same time and your research when you take trades with me and then take the trade. Simple as that. If you guys can do that, amazing. Which strategy do I trade? I trade really simple strategy that will be based on volume. Okay, that should be volume. Like I will, if you asking me like what is strategy, my strategy is my trading plan. My trading plan is there should be enough volume in the at the time that I'm trading. If it's London session, New York session, whatever session it is. Second thing that I would require is some break of structure. Okay. If we have a break of structure, then I will be looking for an example. Let me explain. Okay. So here we had this break of structure. What helped me identify that this trade would be a good setup is I took first buy in London here around this trade, I guess. Let just clarify it. Let me just take a look. Okay. Today. Most likely, yes. Yeah. So we had a buys here, and I put my stop loss exactly below here. The reason I took a buy here because I was sure that if we had a candle closure above this area, we might, next candle could push to the upside, and we might see this move. But what we did, we did a fake out. We came back down. And okay, then I did some analysis. I went back. We had a rejection. We came back down. Then we trade down till here. We retested, we created support and came back to the upside. But before coming to the upside, we break this structure. First confirmation, we already broke this structure over here. Okay. And now we are coming and back up and breaking this structure. So do we have enough volume? And this trade was not right. So I was like, okay, not enough volume. So that's why I have put really tight stop loss on this trade. 0.20% of my trade. Usually what I risk on the trade is 0.50%. Okay. So I reduced my risk and then took the trade. So I've seen that, okay, no, didn't work out. I'm gonna wait and see what we can do rest of the time. So next candle, okay, on the next candle, when the new 4 hour candle open up, I seen there's a really good amount of volume that price could, break above again. So what I did was waited. I got first confirmation that price have reversed by doing a retracement of this zone. Okay. Then price break above. I got another confirmation that price is breaking this structure as well. And I was like, okay, we got a closure above. If we flip bullish on this candle, like after doing a retracement and rejection, and if we break the high of the candle, I'm going to take the trade, put stop loss below, and let the trade run. Another thing that you guys can see is that we have a really clean traffic to the top side, right? We have a clear, you, I don't know what you guys say, imbalance or clean candle or something, whatever. But we have a clean side and price, I think price could hit this resistance because in past, if I take a look, we have hit this area multiple times. So that's why I have taken the trade. So even if you take a look at the 4 hour time frame, what I was expecting is that this 4 hour candle could hit these areas, and before that, I think this candle will reject and flip bearish. That's what I'm looking for. If we have that, most likely I'm looking for sells for the next week and till here, till to the downside this zone. So what I'm expecting, NFP will have really good amount of news that have good amount of traffic or volume, you can say, that can continue going down to the top side. Sorry, downside. I took the same Trade, amazing, great. Then see, I mean, people are taking the same trade, pretty good setups. Recently, I have seen a lot of people trading SMC and stuff like that. So would love to see like what are the difference between the SMC, and there's a lot of strategies out there. So I do not like to shift my strategy at the moment, but surely I would like to see and learn what they have to offer. Okay, so we have 1 hour left, 1.5 hour before we enter into what we call NY session, and we have a news at 6 p.m. You can see we have a news at 6 p.m. for core price action index or something. What do we have? Let's study this. Okay, first, yeah, the retracement. We had a lot of fun goals. So because I think if we see this retracement can easily took out, and it took me out as well. But if you're talking about any other retracement, that I don't know. So yeah, as I was explaining, oh, sorry, yeah, as I was explaining, looking at this US core PCE preview forecast, what do we have? It is a Federal Reserve primary inflation measure important to currency valuation because rising in price leads central bank. So if we get a good numbers, okay, on USD right today, then I'm expecting the flip based on that. So we have 2 hours or something. I think if you guys want me to stay live, let's do a poll. If you guys want me to stay live, I will stay live. Okay, let's see. Let's see. If you guys want me to continue the live stream, then say yes. If you want me to go, I'll go and I will enjoy my weekend. We got one yes. No, actually we got 3 votes already saying yes. And we have, I think people are watching is like 5 to 6 or something. But so I'll take that. We should continue the live stream. So here's the thing. Here's the thing. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna watch the chart on the other screen, and we're gonna play game at the moment. Okay? How about we play game? Let me shift my. Okay. Can you guys see the game over here? I guess this game just I bought it. Okay, I just bought it because this is a pretty amazing game, and I would really like to play it. I was waiting for it. So why don't we just start? Ooh, look at that.
What's that now? Don't like the cold? Can't stay in today. We have a ritual to perform, you and I. Here. Wear this. It belonged to my daughter. Good. Today, I speak your name, girl. But will the goddess speak it back?
Actually, I cannot see. I forgot that I cannot. Are you gaming on a PC? Yeah, I'm gaming on a PC. I'm gaming on a PC.
Normally, it would be the
Keep in
mother who
mind, we have a
declares.
whole series of this game,
If you
so
had one,
we're gonna continue live stream till then.
the whole village would attend, and matriarchs perform the ritual. But we are outcasts. Even so, we keep the tribe's rituals. Otherwise, we might become like the faithless old ones, who turned their backs on the goddess. But their wickedness doomed them. To us, were left the splendors of creation. Beasts of air, water, earth, and steel.
Sure, brother, everyone like that. Everyone like that.
It is one thing to hunt a
The
beast,
only reason I would like to
another
play this
to hunt a
game
machine.
is
You must be humble
it includes
and respect
everything
their power.
that I do like
I will
in
teach
my
you
real
this.
life. Okay,
One day.
so that includes like robots, AI stuff, trading. But yeah, it doesn't have trading in there. But still, the the culture, the thing they have in this game. This is the first game I really love it. Like everything about this, I love it. I'm not audible. Oh, because of the. Okay, what about now? What about now?
High Matriarch Tirsa. What is she doing here? Does she mean to forbid the ritual?
I'm audible now. Is it audible now?
No, 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 off your knees. It's nearly time. And yes, you may speak to me.
You came to bless the naming.
Have not 6 months gone by since we entrusted her to you?
Great, great.
We
It's
are
because I
outcasts.
think
You by
volume,
choice. And she...
game volume was higher
well,
than mine.
I am a high matriarch, Rost. I bless whom I choose.
Then you honor us.
Yes, yes, now go, and be ready to declare. Go! Oh, Mother, this child needs a name by which to know her. That your love may warm her life as the rising sun warms all the earth. Speak her name!
Aloy!
And so her name is blessed.
Stop this at once! What have you done?
I've blessed the naming of a child.
Stubborn woman, you call that curse a child? What did she tell you about his
what you
birth
said, bro?
outcast? Answer!
I'm on a 5K account and I'm in a 2% drawdown and I'm hoping to
Teresa,
recover.
yes.
So you are
We
down
said nothing of
2%.
love.
Is it a
Enough.
funded account or is it a live account?
You, blessing its name like it was one
I
of the
know
Nora,
my duty
one of
to
the
them.
tribe.
And to you.
Without consultation.
I'm here.
Did all year, did
And wherever you go, I will follow.
I don't know if you guys can. I think like for some reason on the live stream I tried. I have two monitors and they both are pretty good. I have one gaming monitor, one is a proper TV. So I don't understand like why I cannot do live stream in 1080p. The quality goes to 720p only. So you have a problem account, phase one, 5K account. Okay. So do some calculation, brother. Okay. If you're using a 5K account to recover 2%, that how much is the loss? Like in dollars, how much is it?